Hi lovely, welcome. Today's video we will be undecorating and resetting our living room for the new year. We have a couple of things that we will unbox for our living room, clean, tidying it up, and decor. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing before you go. Now without further ado, let's get into it. We celebrate Christmas twice in our household, one on December 25th and another one January 7th, which is Ethiopian Christmas. So we kept it for a while. We didn't take it down after New Year right away. Placing my stems and small pieces in the storage box, and the nativity set would be stored in its original packaging. It's very fragile, so the way I keep it safe without breaking it is by keeping it in its original packaging. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. I scored on this beautiful black texture 20-inch vase from Crate and Barrel right before it got out of stock. It is such a beautiful piece. I found a very similar vase on Etsy and I linked it below for you if you're interested. My vase is going on my media console along with a large black bowl I got from CB2. And now moving on to tidying up our sofa and steaming it. It's a little bit wrinkled. We took the cover out and washed it 2 days ago. I used my steamer I got from Amazon to straighten up the wrinkles, and we'll be moving on to decorating the rest of the living room. If you're looking for a very cozy throw blanket for this winter, let it be this fur blanket from Nordstrom Rack. It is so reasonable. I bought it like for $29.99. It's been a little over a month and it is stuck with me. I'm looking at the console table and I'm placing the vase in the middle next to the bowl and add this fox stem I used for my entryway decor on my last video. I'm going for a very minimal look and I like how it turned out. Let me know how you like the setup. I'm leaving this corner of our living room as is. Everything is from CB2 except the marble tray, which is from Target. Turning on the fireplace is a little bit chilly and moving on to decorating our coffee table. I was looking for a glass vase to add to my collection, and this vase is such a beautiful piece that adds a touch of elegance to my living room or any room in my home. It is on sale now if you want to put your hands on it. That was it for today, lovely. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you're new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing or following. Until I see you on my next video, bye bye.
And I know I'll never be alone. Wherever all my wishes may be heading, a part of us will never leave. Oh, wherever in the world you may be hiding, in a while I know you're coming home. Tonight